Hi! Today I would like to show you how you can transfer files from XIAOMI device to VIVO T1 Pro 5. You need to begin by opening Play Store on both and installing this free app called Send Anywhere. When it's ready, open it. Now, in order to use it, do exactly the same on both devices. Firstly, click on I agree, then confirm, continue, and allow. Now on the second one, I agree, confirm, continue, allow. In this window though, about new updates, you can tap on Not Now if you want to. Then to close it, hit OK. Now tap on Send at the bottom left corner of XIAOMI and Receive right next to Send at the bottom of VIVO. Also on VIVO, tap on one of those options to set up the best one for your ads. Yes, I agree, or no thanks. Then click on Close this window and go back to XIAOMI. You can finally use all of those categories located at the top to select and then send files that you wish to transfer. You can also just click on the chosen one, in my case this one photo. Wherever you decide, when you're ready, click on Send next to Selected, located at the bottom of XIAOMI. Then tap on Got it in Here's Some Tip pop-up and decide which connection way is better for you. If you want to connect thanks to this key, tap on Input Key section on VIVO, type in all of those numbers in correct order, and click on Receive button to connect. If you want to scan this QR code, tap on the scanning icon above User Guide. Allow camera access in the pop-up and simply point your device's camera at the code. So when I do that, as you can see, my photo was successfully sent. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to leave a like, comment, and subscribe. Bye!